Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. This is a 1978 Dodge Little Red Express truck. It's by Hotwheels. It's not a new casting, but a recolor of an older casting. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the Little Red Express truck out of its box. And few things which you will notice instantaneously. Just got these exhausts. They come out of the side like you know how you have on the bigger trucks, and these wheel arches, they are very classic looking. The front is not that old looking, so I think it's a mixture of when it was coming like late 80s, late 70s, early 80s design in the front, but back still followed like older 50s, 60s truck. They tried to make something different, I guess. Let's talk about the casting. Up front, you can see the grille, headlamp, turn indicators, but none of them are detailed. Got the same colored bumper. You could put the windshield wipers, but does miss out on mirrors. And it's an older casting originally, and Hot Wheels didn't use to do mirrors back then. They've started doing on the newer ones. Coming to the driver's side, we have seen these wheels on so many different castings from Hot Wheels. These look alright here. They kind of look like custom wheels, not the standard one you will get. You've got the stickers on the side, which reads Express, Hot Wheels, Dodge on the back, and as I said, exhaust coming out from the sides. You see the door handle, the log, bench seat inside. If you look closely, big bench seat inside. Interior is done in black. This is how the bed looks. Nothing special there, but you can see the design on the bed, like the pattern it's following. This is how it looks from the back. So this is the place for the tail lamps, but again they are not detailed. Bumper is again finished in gray. This is how it looks from the bottom. So the question is, should you get this? It depends on you. It's not a bad looking casting, it's actually a decent looking casting, and if you add some details it will look even better. I think it will make a good addition to the collection if you collect trucks, pickup trucks. That's not something like really special either, so it all depends on you. If you like these trucks, you should go for this. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.